I welcome you all to this wonderful lesson. We continue with our revisions, the test one that I gave yesterday. So now, this is question 2 and 3. So I just want us to revise through question 2 and 3. I'll finish all the 5 questions. So this is question 2 and 3. So now, how can you solve these questions that are here? The first question is saying express these two matrices as a single matrix. So you are told to express these two matrices as a single matrix. Then how do we do that? We say row by column. We say row by column. So this is a row will be multiplied with these columns. So what we are going to do is that what is the order of this particular matrix? That is a 1 by how many columns? 1, 2, 3. So that is a 1 by 3. What is the order of this particular matrix? That is how many rows? 1, 2, 3. So 3 by how many columns? 1, 2. So this is a 3 by 2. So meaning that if these two are the same, it means that you can multiply them. So the answer is a what? A 1 by, this one comes down here, a 2. So this is an answer that you are going to get, which will be a 1 by 2. So how can we work out this? We are just having one row here. So we say this times that, this times that, this times that. So negative 1 times 5, that is negative 5, plus 2 times 2, that is 4, plus negative 3 times 1, that is negative 3. Since there is a positive, negative times positive, it is negative. So I say minus 3. I'm done with this column. I now go to this one. I can't write down here because there is no row that is down there. So I just continue from here. The same row multiplied with that column. So I say negative 1 times negative 2, that is 2, plus 2 times 2, that is 4, plus negative 3 times 0, that is 0. So this is the matrix that we are having. Then finally, what is the answer? When we add here, we are going to get negative 1 minus 3, that is negative 4. So you are going to get negative 4 this side. Here, this is a 6. So meaning that this is your what? This is your answer. This is what you are supposed to do. Just like that, you've answered that particular question. We now move on to these other questions that are telling us to say solve the equation, solve the following. So we want to solve these particular equations. So how can we solve them? These are procedures that you need to do for you to solve these equations. So you look at this, that is it is like this. So let me write it properly here. You see how it is. It is like this. 2x cubed is equal to what? 16. You divide both sides by 2 by 2. So that you just remain with x cubed is equal to what? 8. 16 divided 2, that is 8. Then from here, what are you going to do? You introduce the cube root. So a cube root this side, even a cube root this other side. Cube root and the cube, they will cancel. You're going to have x is equal to, what is the cube root of 8? A number that you can multiply 3 times to get 8, that is 2. So meaning x is equal to what? X is equal to 2. Just like that, you've answered that question. We now move on to this particular question. That is 2y squared is equal to 13y. How can you work out this? This is something that is so simple. So what you are supposed to do, you need to get this one, come this side. So 2y squared minus 13y, which is equal to 0. You factorize here. What is common? Y is common. Here you are going to have 2y minus y cancelled. You are just going to remain with the 13, which is equal to what? Equal to 0. So from here you are going to get this part, you equate to 0. You also get this part, you equate to 0. Then come up with the what? Come up with the answers. So what we are going to do here, I'm going to say this is y is equal to 0, or I'm going to say 2y minus 13 is equal to what? 0. I now solve this, where I'm going to have 2y is equal to, when this one goes this other side, it becomes what? 13. I divide both sides by 2 by 2. So meaning when this gets to cancel, the answer that I'm going to have will be what? Y is equal to 13 over 2. So this is the answer that I'm going to get. So 13 over 2 is the what? Is the answer. So this was our second and third question. Those of you that could like to join us, you can WhatsApp me on this number that is here. We are going to help you get a distinction in a subject that you think is hard for you, be it mathematics, chemistry, physics, biology, English. We are offering tuitions. So you can WhatsApp us. You can WhatsApp me on this number, which is 0971 066747. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay connected for question number 4 and 5.